Today I'm going to open one of our sets of 2 reusable organic cotton bags. Inside this set you get one medium bag which measures around 28 by 28 centimetres and one large bag which measures around 33 by 40 centimetres. There's so many ways you can use these bags and I'm just going to show you a few of them now. Firstly, I'm going to use the medium bag to wrap some toiletries. I've got my toothbrush, deodorant, moisturiser and a hand wash soap. Little tip, you can wrap your hand soap in a beeswax wrap. It's a great way to make sure it travels safely and doesn't get anything on your cotton bag. So these will fit in here really nicely. It's still got plenty of space, so if you needed to pack the family's toiletries as well or anything else in there for self-care, you've got plenty of room and it looks lovely too. In the large bag, there's 2 ways I'm going to show that you can use it today, and one is as a book and toy bag, so it's great for when we need to go anywhere with my son. It's nice and colourful, you're not going to miss it or leave it behind, and so much can fit in there. As you can see, there's still lots of room. Another way you can use it is of course with food in your kitchen, so I find them really handy for storing my root veg such as my potatoes and carrots and kind of bigger vegetables that end up either sitting in the back of the cupboard and getting lost or in plastic packaging and getting spoiled. Keeping food inside organic cotton bags is just such a great way to keep it fresh. So there you go, there's a few ways that we use our bags. We'd love to know how you use yours.